Okay, now I have to solve the problem. First of all, go to settings, go to about phone. You have to search a build number and type more than 5 times. Now you have get a developer mode. You can find it about device. Click on it and search more location. Type on it and connect with fake GPS Pro. You have to install this app. Okay, you have a good job. Okay, but you have to install fake GPS Pro. Later you switch on it, collect your location and type start. See, you got a joystick. Due to some network problem, I can't open it, but I can. There is a problem for my game, so I can't open it. So here is joystick. If you can use it and you are successful, then please subscribe my video. Thank you.